Hello guys, I'm Ankit. In this video we shall see another problem on LeetCode. Get maximum in generated array. So you're given an integer n. A zero index integer array of length n plus 1 is generated in the following way. Okay. So they're given an integer n and there is an array generated of length n plus 1. So if n equal to 3, array of n plus 1 length is generated. Okay. How is it generated? In the following way, where nums of 0 is 0, nums of 1 is 1, nums of 2 star I is equal to nums of 1, and nums of 2 star I plus 1 equal to nums of I plus nums of I plus 1. So, and the conditions are given 2I is less than or equal to n and greater than or equal to 2. Similarly, here also 2 star I plus 1 is less than or equal to n and greater than or equal to 2. So, first let's see how do we generate the array. Okay, then let's see how do we get the maximum element in the array. If n equal to, let's say 3 is given, then array will be of n plus 1 length. This is major. You have to keep this in point. So what is n of 0? I write nums of 0, that is 0. They're given it's predefined. Again nums of 1. What is it? 1. Okay. Nums of 2 star I. So nums of 2. How do you get it? Nums of 2 is nothing but, if you observe, 2 star I you have and 2 star I plus 1. As you know, 2 star I means it will be always even 2 star I plus 1, that will be always true. Starting from, if we take I equal to 1, if we do 2 star I, that will be 2, 2 star I plus 1 will be 3. Next, for I equal to 2, 2 star 2 will be 4, 2 star I, 2 is a 4 plus 1, 5. Similar for I equal to 3. How much will it be? 2 3 is a 6 and 6 plus 1, 7. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 0, 1 you have. For the next elements in the array, for I equal to 0 to n we will find. Okay. So nums of 2 is nothing but 2 star I it is, right? 2 star I means it's nothing but nums of I. So nums of 1 will be equal to nums of 2, that is 1 only. Then nums of 3. How much is it? Nums of 3 equal to 2 star I plus 1. That is nothing but nums of I plus nums of I plus 1. So nums of I equal to 2, right? I equal to 3. So nums of 3, but we have I equal to 2. And I equal to, sorry, okay, nums of 3 we have. How do I get this 3? 2 star I plus 1 formula. So I equal to how much here? 1 here. So for I equal to 1 means nums of I plus nums of I plus 1. Nums of I is 1, nums of I plus 1 is 2. So 1 plus 1, how much will it give you? That is nothing but nums of 1 plus nums of 2. Because 2 star I plus 1, if you do in this 3, that is I equal to 1, it will give you, that will give it. So which is the maximum element of all these? 2, right? You have to return this. So that is what the question says. Now we have a doubt. Once you found this, next we will see numbers of 4 will be counted, numbers of 5 till I equal to 3, numbers of 6 and numbers of 7. When numbers of 7, what will be 2 star I plus 1, where 2 star 3 plus 1, I equal to 3 and we have n equal to 3. So till this condition we have 2 star I less than or equal to n. We want to take the conditions. Till there we run the loop I equal to 1 to n. So, but we need to take only 2 because nums of 4 will give you other value. It will give you value as nums of 4 is nothing but 2 star 2. So that will be nums of 2, that is 1. But we need to take this maximum value, not this one. So how do you take this maximum value is, in between the loop, for I equal to you run the loop I equal to 1 here. Check if 2 star I is less than or equal to n. Then we find that nums of 2 star I. Okay. Similarly for 2 star I plus 1 also. 2 star I plus 1. If it is less than or equal to n, the numbers of 2 star I plus 1 also you calculate. That's it. So if you do like that, only if the condition, till here only the condition will be 2 star I plus 1 less than or equal to n will be followed, and maximum value will take into account. So here max value will have 1. Initially we will initialize max value equal to 1 because out of these two predefined values, 1 is the maximum value. So max value will be equal to 1, and later you find max value equal to max value comma nums of 2 star I. That is how you do. So okay, here I have written the code. If you need, I'll write it again. So as I said, first we will have a vector in, and yeah, then initialize nums of 0 will be equal to 0 and nums of 1 equal to 1. Next for int I equal to 1, I less than or equal to n I plus plus. If 2 star I less than or equal to n, then what you find out? Max value. So we'll initialize int max value equal to 1. So max value equal to max of max value comma nums of I, because if you 2 star I, nums of I should be assigned. Again, if 2 star I plus 1, if that is less than or equal to n, then again max value we have to find equal to max of max value comma nums of I plus nums of I plus 1. Yes. So at last return the max value. But one more case you have to look into this. What if the length is 0 itself, n equal to 0? Then if you return max value, that will be 1. So in the beginning you have to check if n equal to 0, then just return 0. Okay. So we'll run this. 3 1. Okay, before here assigning this, we have to calculate nums of 2 star I. So let's do nums of 2 star I equal to nums of I. Now assign this nums of 2 star I only. Because for the next iteration we might need the value of 2 star I. So that is fine. Because you could see here for 4 we require nums of 2 star I will be this. If you take 2 then will be this. So yeah. Similarly here also nums of 2 star I plus 1, that will be equal to nums of I plus nums of I plus 1, and this should be instead 2 star I plus 1. Yes. Yeah. For Java also the same logic applies. So we shall submit this. Yeah, successfully submitted. If you understood the concept, please do like the video and subscribe to the channel. We'll come up with another video in the next session. Until then, keep learning. Thank you.